Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a playroom makeover, organizational and declutter video. Our playroom had no organizational method going on in here, so we went ahead and got a couple of things for the playroom and we're going to make it a little bit more tidy in here. This is everything that I got for the playroom. Everything that you see in this clip is actually from Amazon. So to get started in this room, I'm going to start by organizing the toys and just kind of going through any toys that my kids aren't using, toys that are broken, and I'm probably going to be donating a lot of toys as well. You guys are gonna see me all over the place in this video. I'm just getting rid of things, going through stuff, moving stuff, going through books, going through toys, cleaning. So you guys are gonna see me moving around a lot in this video, so I'll try to keep up as best as I can. Like I said, we got this organizer off Amazon and it was fairly inexpensive, and I love that you can actually take the bins off. I feel like it's very practical for small children. I'm basically just organizing toys by what they are. So we have a bin for small cars, a bin for my son's little characters, train tracks, blocks, everything like that. I'm just kind of organizing them into little groups. Then these fabric bins I also got off Amazon, and I think I'm just going to put his puzzles in here. I did end up changing my mind and taking everything back off the shelf so that I could clean it off. Over you. I going through books, I'm sorting them by size so that when I put them on the shelf, they look very pleasing to the eye.
Feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
And again, I like to change things up. I'm very picky when it comes to how things look, so you guys will just kind of see me messing with a lot of stuff. Next, I'm going to hang up these little hammocks, and I didn't film myself hanging them up completely because I tried to hang them up in the corner and it just wasn't working. I did decide to put one of my son's car mats over in this corner just to make it a little bit more cozy. And then I'm using this big plastic bin for all of my son's trucks. I do want to get a nicer looking bin one day, but for now this will do. And of course, with it being Christmas time, I wanted to make it a little bit festive in here. I just added some garland and I added a few little Christmas books as well. The last step, you guys, is to clean the floor. I did want to run the vacuum, but there's a lot of big pieces, so I just decided to sweep instead. Yeah, you guys, that is it for this playroom makeover. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. We had so much fun making this more fun for our children, and I just love the way that it turned out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.